Hello students, welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid channel. I am Veena teacher teaching you 4th standard maths. What we have solved in our last session students? Yes, we have started our exercise 6.2. A question we have completed. Now I am going to start B question. See, what is the B question? Find the perimeters. Now they are given each small square is of side is 1 centimeter. What they said? Each small square is of side. Each side they said 1 centimeter. Now what is how to find out the perimeter? Yes, what is the formula for the perimeter students? Tell me. The sum of the length of all the sides of closed figure is called its perimeter. Now they had given this, see. Now we have to calculate this shape perimeter. So what you have to do? The sum of all the lengths of all the sides of closed figure. This is closed figure, we have to calculate. Now they say each side is having 1 centimeter. Okay, so we will count. See, each side. See, this one means 1 centimeter. From here I'll start. This one, this one, this one. Why I'm drawing this line? Because I'm calculating this. 1. Sorry. This side, this side, this side, this side, this and this. Okay, these many sides are there. So each side is how much? 1 centimeter. We will count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So what is the answer here? Yes, tell me what is the answer? How many are there all together? Yes, tell me. How many are there? 16 sides, isn't it? So what you will write answer there? 16 centimeter. So this shape perimeter is 16 centimeter. Come on, write everyone with the pencil in the textbook. The next figure we will see. Now we will count all the sides. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many sides are there? 12 sides. So each side is 1 centimeter. So 12 sides means total 12 centimeter. Understood? Clear? Let's see. Third one. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. How many? 20 centimeter. Clear? Yes? Very easy. Okay? Very good. Now we'll move to the C question. What is the C question? Find the perimeters of triangle whose sides are as follow. Now they are given triangles sides. One is 10 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 14 centimeter. Okay, we will solve. What we have to find out? Perimeter of triangle. First one, 10 centimeter, comma, 12 centimeter, comma, 14 centimeter. Okay, perimeter of triangles. Now what is the formula for to find out the perimeter of triangle, students? Yes, the sum of all lengths of all the sides. Now they are given all sides of triangles, isn't it? See here, one side is 10 centimeter, the other is 12 and the other one is 14. Okay, in this way they are given. So we have to find out. So write here the perimeter of triangle is equals to centimeter plus 12 centimeter plus 14 centimeter. Now we will add all centimeters together. Ones place, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 0 is 6 as it is. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. So what is the answer here? 36 centimeter. Okay. So once again you can write the perimeter of triangle is equals to 36 centimeter and draw one nice box. Okay. Now we will solve the next question. Now I will take third one. See the third question. 3 centimeter, comma, 5 centimeter, comma, 4 centimeter. Okay. Now see, same right here. The perimeter of triangle, is equals to 3 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 4 centimeter. Now let's add all three sides. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 4 is 12 centimeters. So write here 12 centimeter. Okay? Very good. Now I'll solve fifth one for you. See the fifth question. 42 centimeter, 38 centimeter and 56 centimeter. Now what you have to do? You have to write the perimeter of triangle is equals to, we have to add these three numbers, 42 centimeter, 38 centimeter and 56 centimeter. We will add 6 plus 8. Yes, tell me. 14. 14 plus 2, 16. So write here 6, carry ones. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. Isn't it? So what is the answer here? 136 centimeter. Clear? Yes, very good. Now the second one, fourth one and sixth one you are going to solve by your own. Now we will solve D question. See the D question. What is the D question? Find the perimeters of rectangle. See, perimeter of rectangle. First one, they had given length is equals to 4 centimeter and breadth three centimeter. So what is the formula of perimeter of rectangle, students? Yes, we can solve in two ways. The first one is the sides of rectangle, both the sides, opposite sides of rectangles are same, isn't it? So here what I'll do, I'll explain two questions. The first one we will solve with first method, perimeter of rectangle. See, we'll assume here one rectangle. See, the one side that given 4 centimeter, the other side length, length is 4 centimeter. Okay, and the breadth is 3 centimeter. So the rectangle opposite sides are equal. If it is here 3, here also 3. If it is here 4, here also 4. Okay. So what is the formula? Perimeter of rectangle is equals to sum of all the sides. See the all sides. 4 centimeter plus 3 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 3 centimeter. Okay. When we add 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. So right here 14 centimeter. This is the first method. Now I'll solve fourth one for you with the second method. Okay. See the fourth one. The length they had given 7 kilometer and the breadth 5 kilometer. Now here I am going to use the second method. What is the second method? Perimeter is equals to perimeter of rectangle is equals to, yes, do you remember? 2 multiplied by sum of adjacent sides, isn't it? 2 multiplied by sum of adjacent side. So 2 multiplied by 7 plus 5. So 2 multiplied by 7 plus 5. Yes, tell me. 7 plus 5. 12, very easy. Okay, so write 12. And now 12 twos are or 2 12s are 24. What you will write? Not centimeter, kilometer. Okay, this is the perimeter of rectangle. Understood? This both methods you can use to solve. Okay, whichever you feel easy, just go with the same. But see the question properly. If they are given centimeter, write in answer also centimeter. If they are given kilometer, write kilometer. If they are given meter, so write meter. Okay. Now we will solve E question. See the E question. find the perimeter of square. See what we have to find out. Perimeter of square. The first one, 4 centimeter they had given. So student, tell me what is the formula to solve the perimeter of square? Yes, perimeter is equals to sum of all sides, isn't it? So right here, perimeter is equals to sum of all the sides, or you can say directly 4 multiplied by side. Why 4? Because square has 4 sides, isn't it? So 4 multiplied by one side is 4 centimeter. Now 4 4s are 16 centimeter. So this is the answer. Okay? Clear? Yes. Now I'll solve third one for you. See the third one, 20 meter they are given. Okay. Now if they are given meter also, don't be confused. So write perimeter is equals to 4 multiplied by side. So 4 multiplied by each side carries 20 meter. So write here 20 meter. Now 4 zeros are 0, 4 twos are 8, 80 meter. Okay, very simple. Are you getting? Yes. Now I'll solve fifth one for you. See the fifth one, 13 meter. Okay. Now again meter, same. Perimeter is equals to 4 multiplied by side. 4 multiplied by each side carries 13. 4 threes are, yes, 12. 2 here carry ones. 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 52 meter. Okay? Understood? In this way, you have to solve the remaining 3 sums. Very good. Now we'll move to the next. The next is story sums. Okay. The first example I am going to explain you. Ritu has a rectangular piece of the cardboard of size 40 cm by 60 cm. She wants to decorate it by sticking a piece of ribbon all along the 4 edges. How much ribbon does she need? See what they said. Ritu has a rectangular piece. Can you see here? And what is the size of cardboard? One side is 40 centimeter, the other side is 60 centimeter. So what she want to do? She want to decorate it by sticking a piece of ribbon all around the 4 edges. The 4 sides she want to stick the ribbon. So how much ribbon does she need? We have to find out. See which shape it is. So what you have to write? The length of ribbon Ritu need is equal to perimeter to the rectangle. See, you should understand by the centimeter how they are given. So they are not going to give you drawings in the exam. You have to think and you have to solve what type of question it is. Okay. So once you will draw with the centimeter, see 40 and 60 is equal? No. 40 and 60 is having some difference. So one is 40, one is 60 means the opposite sides will be equal. So it is rectangle. rectangle. So here Ritu needs equal to the perimeter of rectangle. So what is the formula for the rectangle? 2 multiplied by sum of adjacent sides. Okay, so 2 multiplied by 60 plus 40. So when we add this both, we get 100. So we have to multiply by 2. 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 ones are 2. So what is the answer here? 200 centimeter. But 100 centimeter means 1 meter. So you can convert 200 centimeter means 2 meters. So right, she will need a ribbon of length 2 meter. Okay, in this way we have to solve. Second one we will see now. The park in front of Ajay's house has this shape. Now they are given. So this is the shape of park. Where it is? In front of Ajay's house. If Ajay runs around the park twice every day, what is the distance that he covers? See, if he run around the park, full around the park every day twice. Twice means 2 times. So how much distance he cover we have to find out. Now perimeter of park. What is the perimeter of park? We'll start from here. 25 meter, 70 meter, again 25 meter, then 100 meter, then 30 meter. Next we will add this all numbers together. So 2 digit, 3 digit is there. So write rough work. 25, 100 and 30. 0, 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 0 carry ones. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 5 here carry ones. 1 plus 1 is 2. So what is the perimeter of the park? 250 meter. Okay. So how many rounds he take? Twice, isn't it? Twice every day means 2. Therefore the distance Ajay covers every day twice means 2 times. 2 times how much? 250 meter, isn't it? Now we have to multiply. 2 zeros are 0. 2 5s are 10, 0 here 1 carry, 2 2s are 4, plus 1 is 5. How much distance he covered every day? 500 meter. Okay, understood? Yes. Now see that given where you can commit the mistake. We will see. See, they had given 2 students calculated the perimeter of a rectangle of sides 4 cm and 5 cm. Put the correct tick mark on the correct answer and can you point out the mistake in the wrong answer. We will find out. See, perimeter of rectangle. See, what is the formula for the perimeter of rectangle? 2 multiplied by sum of adjacent sides. Isn't it? The first students, what he have done? He have added 4 cm plus 5 centimeters as it is and he have written 9. The addition is correct, but the formula he have used is wrong. He have done the addition directly. He have not drawn anything. But the second students, what he have done? See, 4 plus 5 multiplied by 2 means 2 multiplied by sum of adjacent sides. What are the adjacent sides? 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. 4 plus 5 is 9. So 9 multiplied by 2 is 18 centimeters. So this one is correct. And this, why this is wrong? Because we have added directly both the numbers. It is not correct. We have not used any formula. Isn't it? So this first student have solved wrong. Understood? So this mistake you don't do. Okay? See what you have to find out and try to recall the formula of perimeter of whatever, whether it is triangle, rectangle or square. Clear? Yes. Now we will solve our exercise 6.3. 3. See the first question. Students learning gardening were asked to make a flower bed along the wall of their school garden. The school garden is 70 meter long and 50 meter broad. What is the total length of the flower bed to be made? Now see, flower bed in long, how much they said? Long 70 meter, only meter, okay, and in broad 15 meter. See, 50 means less than 70, isn't it? So this is what? Rectangle. So you can say the opposite sides of rectangles are equal, isn't it? So now you know that what you have to solve here. Yes, you have to find out what is the total length of the flower bed to be made. So you have to write the length of the flower bed to be made, the perimeter of rectangle, isn't it? So write here the length of the long they had given na, so write long only. The long of, you can write length also, the length of the flower bed to be made is equal to the perimeter of rectangle. Isn't it? You can see in the picture. So what is the formula for the perimeter of rectangle? Yes, 2 multiplied by sum of adjacent sides. So 2 multiplied by what are the sides? 7 meter plus 50 meter. So 2 multiplied by, add this 2, 0 plus 0, no need to draw again bracket, 0 plus 0 0, 7 plus 5 is 12. Now do your multiplication, 2 zeros are 0, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2. So 240 meter. So what is the answer here? 240 meter. What is the total length required for the flower bed to made? 240 meter. So we can write here the total, say I am writing from question only, the total length of the flower bed to be made 240 meter. Okay? Clear till here? Understood everyone? The story sum first one? Yes, very good. The remaining examples I am going to take in the next session, because it's time to wind up our today's session. What is your home assignment? Exercise 6.2 CDE. Some examples I have not solved, which are very easy. You are going to solve in your rub book today itself. And now solve the first example of story sum in the rub book and try to solve by your own the remaining examples. Again, I am here only to solve the remaining examples in our next session. Till that time, bye bye, take care and thank you.